Hello, I'm James, Education Manager at Crayola. I'm so excited for you to join me for the Style Squad event in the Crayola Create and Play app. Back to school is full of many adventures, including shopping for new school supplies, getting that first day outfit ready, walking into a new classroom, and making new friends. As you fill your backpack with pencils, paper, and crayons, remember to also pack your curiosity, imagination, and creativity. These superpowers help you learn, problem solve, and express your colorful thoughts and ideas. Are you ready to kick off the new school year with a splash of style and creativity? The Crayola Create and Play app offers some colorful tools that will show off your creative style and imagination. Complete daily challenges and personalize your locker with your back-to-school gear. My favorite color is blue. However, there are lots of other colors for you to choose from. Creativity is a superpower, and I'm including PJ Masks along with the sun, stars, and spaceships because this school year is going to be out of this world. You can unlock other challenges, including designing your very own backpack and sneakers. Now it's your turn. Unleash your creativity and imagination with this back-to-school Style Squad event, exclusively in the Apple Arcade until August 31st. Get your 1-month free trial to Apple Arcade today to unlock Crayola Create and Play, plus hundreds of other games. Back to school has never been this much fun.